Hello, in this video we are going to see the addition, subtraction and multiplication of the matrix. So here, first of all, I will write addition of the matrix. Addition of matrix. Addition means what? Adding the two matrix. But when we can add, when the order, same order means when there is a 2 into 2 matrix it is there, and same, if I am having the 2 into 2 matrix, then only we can add. Or else when we can subtract only there is when the 2 into 2 matrix, or else 3 into 3 matrix, if it is there we can add. But in the multiplication we can add and multiply with the anyone. So let us see the addition. If I'm having the same matrix A is equal to A, B, C, D, if I'm having, and B matrix is D, C, A, B. So I can add these two matrices like this: A plus B is equal to A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, D plus B. Okay, and bracket close. So here you have to add this first element with this one, second element with this second one, and third element with the third one, fourth element with the fourth one. You have to add. So this is how we have got this. So this is how we can add the matrix with the same order are there. So these two matrices are of same size. You can see 2 into 2. So this is 2 into 2, and also as well as this is also 2 into 2 matrix. Then only we can add. Now subtraction. If I want to do, if I take an example for this subtraction. So a subtraction. If a is, I'm having, consider a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, b I'm having, b is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. So how I can subtract? If I want to subtract a minus b, then I have to write. So first one has to be subtracted with the first one. 1 minus 0. Then second one has to be subtracted with this second one. 2 minus 1. Similarly, 3 minus 2. Then, so this one, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. Then 5 minus 7. Then 6 minus 8. So what is the answer of this one? Is equal to, so 1 minus 0 will be 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1, the next 3 minus 2 will be 1, 4 minus 3 will be 1, 5 minus 7 will be how much? Minus 2, and 6 minus 8 is how much? It is minus 2. So that, for that, if you want to confirm this one, you can utilize the calculator parallelly. You can use the calculator parallelly. So here you can see this one. What I said, as I said here, this element. So for that basic you have to understand Bodomas. So 6 is a small value and 8 is a larger value. Then 6 minus 8, if I do, what is the answer? So here you can see this is 2. Minus 2 you have to write. So that is the correct. Here also minus 2. Most of the students makes the mistake in this sign conversion and utilizing the signs whatever are there with this problem. or else the number, you have to write these signs properly. So this is how we can subtract the. This is how we can subtract that one. Okay, this is about the subtraction. Then multiplication. If I want to multiply the, so let me close this one. Okay, multiplication. Multiplication of the matrix. So if you want to multiply, then you should have a matrix. If I take matrix, any row and any columns, any number of rows, if are there, then it is also okay. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, and another matrix I should have, that is B is equal to, I'm having x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. Okay, if I want to multiply this one, so you have to take the row into the column. So this column you have to take, and this row you have to use. So carefully look here how I write it. So here, so this row and this column I am writing. Let me make this one red. Okay, so a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 z1. So this is what I have took. Then next you have to take again this row and this column now. A1 x2 plus a2, sorry, b2, here you have to take b2 y2 plus b2 y2 plus c1 z2, c1 z2. Then matrix you have to close this one. Okay, next second round, what I will take, I have to take this one and this column, that row and column. So here a1 x1 plus b2 y1 plus c2 z1. So similarly, if I want to write this one, again I have to take this row and this column, and if I want to write here fourth element, a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 c2 z2. So this is how you are writing the multiplication matrix. So this is the what multiplication. In the next videos we are going to see the examples on this one, how to multiply exactly. So this will be, now it is a 2 into 2 matrix. It is a matrix of a 2 into 2 order. So two rows here you have got and two columns you have got. So this is what we have obtained here. Now transpose of the matrix. So if I want to make the transpose of the matrix, the next one is transpose. Transpose of matrix. Transpose of matrix. Let, if the matrix is like this, A is equal to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. If it is there, if I can write like this also, or I can mention like this also. Both are same, transpose. So here you have to change the row into the column. So row into the column. If it is m into n, okay, if it is m into n, it will become n into m. Rows will change to the column and columns will be changed to rows. Here it will become n into m. So a1, b1, c1 will come here. A1, b1, c1. Now a2, b2, c2 will come here. A2, b2, c2 will come here. So this is convert will be converted into n into m. So that's why we can say this as a transpose of the matrix, we can say. So here we have studied addition, multiplication and subtraction and transpose of the matrix. In the next videos we are going to see the problems.